All right, guys. So today we went ahead and purchased this 1950s. It's a 48 Suburban. It's pretty decent condition. It's all original. It's got the 6-cylinder. It's got a 5-speed. Not sure how original that is, but the truck itself is perfect. It does have some blemishes, some rust that you got to take care of, but it's nothing major. It's mostly surface stuff like this. I think that's like the worst spot. And I'll have some paint corrections, a couple trim rust right here, right there. Somebody added the rear lights in the back. It's kind of weird, but I guess it's cool. I believe the lights should have been here from the factory. That's a cool Indian sticker. I might end up keeping that. The windows look like they have recently been done. You could tell the rubber is not that bad. The truck itself is in pretty good shape, man. I'm not disappointed in looking at it. The price was good, so I think it's a pretty decent deal. So we're gonna go ahead and get it towed, bring it to the house, and then we'll start cleaning it up and then check it and see how bad this thing really is or how good it is. All right, stay tuned. Let's see how this works. It'll be all right. Yeah.
Look, kids say hi to Sherry.